amihan, para mo may hararo na kalong, ikaw minamit. And you learn your lesson. And this is what Jesus wants of us. He knows how human we are. But remember, he was human also. He was also human. He cried. He became sad. He wanted to give up. Anak, alis na ini. Yung kagadanan, mapupuna. Pero, because it is your will, thy will be done. Sabi lang natin, let's do it. Okay? Matagong ako ito, ang point. No matter how human we are, there is always the grace of God to cooperate with us. Especially when we enter into relationships. Sabi yun, igual natin mga agong. Very good. Isang tayo pa. Very bad.